Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt garlic sauce. Combine 1 cup plain yogurt with 2 cloves crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon olive oil and whisk until smooth. Taste and adjust salt and lemon to balance brightness. Chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld, then serve with grilled meats, roasted veggies, or as a creamy dip and fresh herbs. Start by gathering plain yogurt, garlic, lemon, olive oil, salt, and herbs. Use thick yogurt for a creamier texture or strain thinner yogurt. Crush garlic finely to release flavor and wait after mixing to let flavors marry. Taste and adjust acidity with lemon juice or sweetness with a pinch of sugar if desired. Store sauce in an airtight container for up to 5 days in the refrigerator. Serve chilled or at room temperature depending on your dish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while chopping garlic and saves your breath between bites, perfect for long prep. It fits cup holders and has a leak-proof lid, making kitchen cleanup easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for truly supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Add fresh dill, mint, or cilantro for herbal brightness and swap lemon for vinegar for a tangier sauce. Stir in roasted red peppers or harissa for spicy variations, and add a touch of honey to balance heat. For a thicker dip, strain yogurt through cheesecloth for 1 hour. Serve alongside pita, kebabs, or as a dressing over salads to elevate simple meals with minimal effort and pleasing texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.